How to turn on autosave video on WeChat app. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In today's video, I'll show you guys how can you turn on autosave video on WeChat application. So for that, you need to make sure that the application is completely up to date. After which, what you want to do is open up the application and then log into your account. Once you're logged into your account, that's going to take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. While you're on the home page, you want to click the profile icon from the bottom right hand side corner of your screen. While you're on this section, what next you want to do is go to the settings from the bottom and then click on it. As soon as you click on the settings, you could see multiple options right over here, but then you want to go to the general section. As you go to the general section, underneath you could find multiple options. You could also see auto update WeChat, all that. But then you want to go to this photos, videos, files and calls. Click on it. As soon as you do it, so you want to make sure to toggle the button for autosave videos. Now since you want to just autosave the video, just toggle the button for that. And likewise, if you don't want to autosave the photos, then just toggle the button or turn it off. So that's the simplest way you go ahead and turn on autosave video on WeChat app. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.